Are you looking for a powerful smartphone without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. This device boasts a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1900 nits. Enjoy vibrant colors and crisp visual for everything from gaming to streaming. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful Exynos 2400E that handles demanding tasks with ease, coupled with 8GB of RAM and two storage options, 128 and 256GB of internal storage. Whether you're multitasking or playing the latest games, the S24 FE delivers exceptional performance. Capture stunning photos and videos with the 50MP primary lens. The 8MP telephoto and 12MP ultra-wide offer versatility for different shooting scenarios. Stay powered up all day long with a 4700mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging technology ensures you're always ready to go. In addition, the S24 FE features a sleek and modern design with aluminum frame and glass at back. It's comfortable to hold and feels premium in hand. Experience the latest Android 14 with One UI 6.1, Samsung's intuitive and customizable interface. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a fantastic choice for those who want a powerful and feature-packed smartphone without the premium price tag. With its impressive display, powerful performance, and versatile camera, it's a great option for users of all levels. Speaking of price, you can get this at starting price tag of 2,400 dirhams here in Dubai. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more exciting tech reviews like this. Peace out.